Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to download DLX 23. I mean, Dream League Soccer 2023. So if you're facing a challenge on this is how to fix it. So first of all, you go to your phone menu and you go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, you tap on the search app and you search for DLS 23. You're not going to find this on your on Google Play Store. So let's try to search for it. And when you try to search for it, you are going to see this 2024. So this have been updated by First Touch Games Limited. And when you check their apps over here, you are going to see all their apps over here, and you are not going to find DLS 23 over here, and which means this is updated. And let's check the latest update. So it was updated in December 1st 2023, which is around this month. So let's go back to our phone menu. So if you want to have this to DLS 23 on your phone, this is what you have to do. First of all, go to your phone and try to search for Google Chrome. So when you find it, just tap on it. If you are using an Apple device, just tap on Safari. Then after that, or any other browser that you trust or you use on your device, after that, tap on the search to search for DLS 23 APK download. So when you type in this, then you tap on the search or enter, and you are going to find this. So what you have to do is to tap on the soft no neck. So when you tap on it, you are going to see this over here. So as you can see over here, this is how it is. So let's try to make it, mobile site. It's on the desktop site. So let's try to make it mobile site for it to be big, for you to see it very well. So as you can see over here, it's loading. We have to wait for it to load. So after loading, this is how you're going to see it. So if you want to have the DLS 23, which is this one, on your device, just tap on that, please. So when you tap on install from Play Store, it's going to send you to the DLS 2024. So tap on the free APK, and after that you're going to see an ad over here. Then tap on the close symbol at the top, which is at the right top corner. So as you can see over here, your download has started. So it's going to download within some few seconds. So as you can see, this is going to pop up, and this is how you are going to choose where your file is going to be. And I've chose that my file should be at my download files. So as you see, this is my download file, and this is the name of the file that I'm going to download. So when you choose the file which is going to accept this file, I mean the folder, this is going to the folder that's going to accept this file, what you have to do is to tap on this download symbol over here. So let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap over here. So tap on download away. Tap on download anyway over here. So tap on it. So after tapping on it, tap on the details at the top over here. As you can see that it's downloading over here perfectly. So guys, as you can see, this is the file over here. Yeah, this is the file over here. So as you can see, it's downloading, and the file size is 552.02 megabytes, and it's also it's downloading over here, and which is just now, as you can see. So you have to wait, be patient for this to download. After downloading the app, after downloading the file is going to be like this. Do you get me? The file is going to be like this. So what you have to do is to tap on it. When you tap on it, when it becomes you know, when it becomes like this or like this, I mean this one, when it becomes like this or like this, just tap on it. Tap on it. Do you get me? I mean with this one, just tap on it after downloading it. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you are going to see this. Then you tap on just once and you see install. You tap on install and it's going to install on your phone successfully. If you have any problem or if you're facing any problem, just let me know in my comment section and I promise that I'm going to help you out with it. I'm Coffee Hub, and this is what I brought to you. See my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Bye bye.